Hi friends! Do you love watercolor, but maybe you're trying to paint things perfectly? Do you feel afraid to waste supplies and possibly even make a disappointing painting? Then this class is for you. Hi, I'm Tammy Kay, and I am an artist, I'm an art teacher, and also a mental health therapist based in Arizona. Well, I began teaching online and I soon noticed that most of my students also had problems letting go when they were painting with watercolor. So I combined my mental health experience with my painting experience to try to figure out ways to help calm the body, calm the brain. You'll learn how to loosen up with loose florals as you practice and focus on each brush stroke. Breathe and relax our bodies as we're focusing on water control. We're also gonna learn how to change our narrative and find joy as we play with floral and leaf shapes and complementary colors. And finally, we're gonna learn how to put all these skills together to create a beautiful, playful, and fun floral composition. So let's get to it.